Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I want to show you all of my 31 Italian cars that I have collected till today. This includes from brands such as Hotwheels, Matchbox, Burago and of course Lego. And yeah, let's get started. At first I'm gonna say again, as in the last video, this will be pretty much impossible to fit every car on this table, on this recording space I should say. On the table they fit definitely, but not on the space that I have to record things. So yeah. Anyways, let's not waste time, let's get started. At first, I would like to start with a classic, a Lamborghini Miura in this beautiful blue color. And as you may have seen in some of my other videos, I have it in this gold and in this new red color too. Okay, next up we have our first Lego already for today. It's the Lego Speed Champions Ferrari F40 Competizione. This is from the older generation of Hot Wheels, of Legos, when they were just 6 studs wide, as you can see. So, but now we have a time where they are 8 studs wide. So yeah. And if we just talked about Lego, why don't we stay here with the new Ferrari F40, and you can see this is now 8 studs wide, which makes it possible to add so much more detail than the old one. So yeah. I'm gonna try to fit as many as possible on the screen, but I can't promise anything. And since we are at Ferrari right now, why don't we gonna stay here with the Ferrari F40 in a 1 to 24 scale from Burago. Beautiful motor. Yeah. An Italian car made in Italy. Perfect. Okay. If we are at Ferrari and Burago, why don't we stay here and go over to the Ferrari F3000. Yeah, no, it's not 3000, it's 3000, and this is even wrong. Okay, if we are at Burago and Ferrari right now, why don't we stay here with the Ferrari F300. Yes, I have a Formula 1 car in my collection. And this one is beautiful. This one is very special to me, not just because it's a Ferrari, but because I got this as a gift from my grandpa not long ago, maybe 3 to 4 months, and I love this car very much. It has a very special spot for me in my collection. Okay. Next up we have the Pagani Sonda, or in this beautiful red color. And of course in the yellow color. And of course I have both of these cars again in a carded version. However, the carded versions I will put to the side because they take up very much space. Let's stay at Pagani and corded right now. I have these two beauties here, the Pagani Huayra Roadster and the Pagani Utopia. This is actually from the 2023 Hot Wheels main line, and this from 2024, as many of you maybe know. But yeah. And of course, I have both of these in a loose state too. And then in the Pagani I have only in a white loose version. You can let me know in the comments if you would like to see me open up this one and do a close-up comparison between these two. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna spoil so much. I absolutely love my Paganis. That's why I also collected an RC car of the Pagani Huayra actually. Let's turn it on. Of course, yes, I know it's a RC model, but for it stands mostly stationary in my showcase. But if you wanted to see me test it out, for example on rocks or if another flat surface, let me know down in below. Let me know down in the comments below. So yeah. Okay. Next up, we have our final Pagani for today. It's from Matchbox Collector's Edition, another Pagani Huayra Roadster. And again in white. But nonetheless, it's such a beautiful car. Very well done. And of course it has the opening hood. With the nice motor. But yeah. Oh, did I break it? I hope not. No. Oh good. Oh good. Okay. Next up, I have Pininfarina Batista. Yes, Pininfarina Batista. But I think it's actually called. Yes, I have it in black too. But I actually think it's called Automobili Pininfarina. I'm gonna start again. I think this is actually called Automobili Pininfarina. I think this car is actually called Automobili Pininfarina Batista. And not just Pininfarina Batista. I'm sorry, I don't know what was the hiccup there. Oh yeah, by the way guys, stay hydrated. Okay, let's not waste time. Let's start with let's go with this Lamborghini Essenza SCV12. This is a premium car from the 2021 Exotic NV set. And if we are at premium cars right now, why don't we stay here with the Alfa Romeo what was it called again? I'm sorry, Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale from 1969. Such a beautiful car in my opinion. It's as is the Lamborghini from the Exotic NV set, from the same one actually. Okay, and if we are at premium cars right now, why don't go to the next one, to a beautiful Lamborghini Gallardo. I think LP654? 574, Superleggera. Nice. Can I fit a car in there? I hope. Let's test out. Okay, here we have a beautiful Lamborghini Sian FKP 37. Such a nice car. I know there's been the greenish and orange color way of this car, but I only have this blue color. But this blue color is actually one of my favorites of today. And of course, at the end of this video, I have again my personal top 10 list of the cars today. Next up, we have the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrado. Such a beautiful car. I sadly didn't get the chance to collect the orange version, but I think this white one isn't too bad either. Next up, we have the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Such a beautiful car. I love this white actually. And we have here the Lamborghini, Lamborghini Countach, I'm sorry. And this is a beautiful yellow car. It's actually in the, I think it's called Lamborghini Countach Pace car. Same as this one, in this beautiful blue. Both of these were, I think, in so-called 5-packs you can find in stores, but I'm not sure. But I'm pretty certain there is. Okay, next up we have another wonderful green Lamborghini Gallardo. Is it a Superleggera 2? No, it's only a 564. But that's not a problem. Here we have the Lamborghini Huracan LP622 Super Trofeo. This is the base version of the Super Treasure Hunt of the, was it Q case? Or was it another case where it started with? I'm not sure actually. But really beautiful car, really like it. Okay, second to last car for today is the Lamborghini S2G or S2G. I don't know how you say the last name, but beautiful car. And this is actually from a silver line, but I can't tell you the name anymore because I don't remember which one. And as last one for today, we have a beautiful Lamborghini Veneno from the Speed Machines set, premium set. Oh yeah, did you know that this year of Speed Machines actually had plastic tires still and not rubber tires as all the other premium cars? I don't actually know why this is like this, but I personally don't mind because they are mostly stationary in my showcase, so it doesn't really make a difference if they are rubber or not. Okay, maybe we can fit some more clothes. There we have the Pagani. Just look on here. So, and yeah, can we fit the Ferrari F40 somehow? Yeah, no. Just imagine this. Over here the Ferrari F40 is. But yeah. Thank you again so much for watching all to the end. I hope you enjoyed. Oh no, wait. See, I forgot my own thing. My personal top 10 cars of today. At number 10, we have the Lamborghini Miura. And since I don't have a color written to it, next to the name, I would say... Oh shit. And since I don't have put a color next to it, I would say we count all three of them. I actually think they are just beautiful. At number 9, we have the Pininfarina Battista. These two beauties. Next up, we have the Pagani Huayra, especially the RC car. I don't know if you can see it in the light, but there's actually a carbon, the carbon, ach shit, Mann warum willst du nicht? Ich weiß nicht, ob ihr es im I don't know if you can see it in the light, but there is actually the carbon made. The looks of it, and yes, the mirror is rubber, but it actually has this carbon look too. Really, really nice. Okay, at number 7 we have the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37. Then at number 6 we have the Lamborghini Veneno. Next up we have the Ferrari F300 from Burago. Really nice. At number 4 we have the Lamborghini Essenza SCV 12. At number 3, before I start with the top 3, I'm gonna spoil so much. All of the top 3 are going to be Paganis. All the remaining Lamborghinis and Alfa Romeos and Ferraris you can see on the video are not in the top 10, or in the top 3 especially. However, all of these cars are super close together. So yeah, especially the top 3. I really had to sit down and think for a minute about the top 3 where I put them. But yeah, at number 3 we have the Pagani Sonda, or at number 2 we have the Pagani Utopia. And at number 1 we have a tie between Matchbox and Hot Wheels for the Pagani Huayra Roadster. Okay, to be fair, I have so many Huayra Roadsters in my collection. I don't know why they all are here, but yeah, really, really nice cars. Okay, thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and have a very nice day. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.